How to recover Yahoo account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and as you launch the Google Chrome application on your device, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now just search for yahoo.com over here, and as you search for yahoo.com, simply it will show us different results over here. So select on yahoo.com's official website over here. Now tap on it, and as you tap on it, here you can see the option of sign in at the top right corner. So just tap on the sign in section, and when you tap on the sign in section, here you need to either enter your username over here. So let me just enter a username over here. So let's just enter the username, then tap on next. As you tap on next, it will take us to a new page over here where you have to prove that you're not a robot. So just tap on continue, and here you have to enter the password. Now since you have forgotten your password, so just tap on forgot password. As you do that, here you can simply get a verification code via your email, your WhatsApp, or just a text message. You can select whichever option is more convenient for you. So just tap on the email for now, and then it will give us a recovery code or a verification code, and you just have to enter it and then tap on send, and it will send us the access to recover our password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.